Let's get to the market. Stocks there modestly higher, following a cautious open. The Dow Jones is up triple digits. The S&P 500 is about 1% away from an all-time intraday high, and it's with that set up this landscape that we begin this conversation with the investment committee. So I think the first question we all have to ask ourselves, after what we saw on Monday, then what we saw yesterday, is this bounce the real deal? And since it's your birthday, I'm going to start with you, Pete Najarian.
Well, I appreciate that. Thanks, Frank. I will tell you this. Here's the interesting part, and I was talking with one of the producers, Patty, before we came on, and I was explaining that the interesting part of Monday was everything looked terrible, right? Markets are getting absolutely smashed. They're getting hit to the downside, both the Nasdaq and well, all three, the Nasdaq, the S&P, and the Dow, all get down significantly to the downside. But the interesting part was on the option side of things, we were seeing buyers. And as a matter of fact, we did not see the kind of spike in the volatility that I think a lot of people were expecting us to see. We did have a little bit of a spike, didn't last very long, pulled back almost immediately, and volatility was back to normal, Frank. So the interesting part was we were seeing buyers in the airline area. We've seen it in cruise ships. We were seeing it in hotels. We were seeing it in casinos, all getting bought on Monday as things were going down. So it does reflect, I think, at least sort of what people are looking for. And now all of a sudden, what did we see? A big bounce yesterday, big bounce today. Very nice to see that we're moving back up to the upside. And we are not that far away from these highs. You look at the volatility index, we're back below 20, Frank, which is, I think, stunning how quickly we have pulled back. So I think the combination of the volatility not spiking to the levels that people were expecting and then pulling back, and now today going under 20, I think that says a lot about what people are thinking right now and the risk reward that people are still looking at, despite the fact that we're basically pressed right up against those highs.